As a student, the idea of making $10,000 might seem daunting, but it's entirely achievable with the right strategies. In this video, we'll explore various ways to earn money while juggling classes and social life. From freelancing and part-time jobs to starting your own small business, there are countless opportunities that can fit into your busy schedule. Financial independence during your college years is crucial. It not only helps you manage tuition and living expenses, but also teaches valuable life skills like budgeting and time management. Imagine being able to treat yourself without guilt or save for that dream vacation after graduation. Many students have successfully navigated this journey, sharing stories of late-night hustles and creative side gigs that turned into profitable ventures. By the end of this video, you'll feel inspired and equipped to take control of your finances and work towards that $10,000 goal. Freelancing is a fantastic way for students to earn money while honing their skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for finding gigs that match your expertise. Whether you're a budding graphic designer, a talented writer, or even a social media whiz, these platforms connect you with clients looking for your specific talents. Skills like graphic design, content writing, web development, and digital marketing are in high demand, making them great options for students to explore. To stand out in a competitive market, it's essential to build a strong portfolio showcasing your best work. This not only attracts potential clients, but also demonstrates your capabilities and professionalism. As you complete projects and gather positive reviews, you'll find it easier to secure higher-paying gigs. So, dive into the freelancing world, and you might just discover a rewarding way to earn money while studying. Online tutoring is a fantastic way for students to earn money while helping others succeed academically. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com provide a user-friendly environment where you can connect with students in need of assistance. If you excel in subjects like math, science, or languages, sharing your knowledge can be both rewarding and profitable. Not only do you reinforce your own understanding, but you also gain valuable teaching experience that can enhance your resume. To attract more students, consider setting competitive rates based on your expertise and the demand for specific subjects. Offering flexible scheduling can also make you more appealing to potential clients. As you build your reputation and receive positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates. Online tutoring not only helps you earn money, but also allows you to make a positive impact on someone else's educational journey. Selling products online is an exciting way for students to earn extra income while exploring their entrepreneurial spirit. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for showcasing handmade goods, whether it's jewelry, art, or custom clothing. If you prefer reselling, eBay offers a great marketplace for flipping items from vintage finds to electronics. To maximize your profits, it's essential to identify niche markets that cater to specific interests or trends. This targeted approach can lead to better sales and a loyal customer base. Additionally, effective marketing strategies are crucial for reaching potential buyers. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and share behind-the-scenes content. Consider running promotions or collaborating with influencers to expand your reach. By combining creativity with smart marketing, you can turn your online selling venture into a profitable side hustle while managing your studies. Participating in market research is a simple and flexible way for students to earn some extra cash. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer opportunities to complete surveys and share your opinions on various products and services. These platforms make it easy to earn money from the comfort of your home, often allowing you to choose surveys that fit your interests and schedule. Additionally, you can participate in focus groups or product testing, which typically pay even more for your insights. These activities not only provide a source of income, but also give you a chance to influence future products and services. To maximize your earnings, consider signing up for multiple platforms, as this will increase the number of opportunities available to you. With just a little time and effort, market research participation can become a rewarding side hustle while you focus on your studies. Internships and part-time jobs offer invaluable benefits for students looking to gain experience while earning money. These opportunities not only provide a paycheck, but also allow you to apply classroom knowledge in real-world settings, enhancing your skills and boosting your resume. It's essential to seek flexible jobs that can accommodate your class schedules, ensuring that you can balance work and studies effectively. Many companies understand the demands of student life and offer part-time positions with adjustable hours. Additionally, internships are a fantastic way to network within your desired field. Building connections with professionals can lead to future job opportunities and mentorship, giving you a competitive edge after graduation. Whether you're working in a related industry or exploring new interests, internships and part-time jobs can significantly enrich your college experience, making you more marketable in today's job market. Embrace these opportunities to grow both personally and professionally. Investing is a powerful way for students to grow their wealth over time, and starting early can make a significant difference. Even small investments can compound and lead to substantial returns in the long run. By beginning your investment journey while still in school, you can take advantage of the time value of money. Apps like Robinhood make it easy for beginners to dive into the stock market without hefty fees, allowing you to trade stocks and ETFs with just a few taps on your phone. However, it's crucial to educate yourself on stock market basics before jumping in. Understanding concepts like diversification, risk management, and market trends will empower you to make informed decisions. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and communities dedicated to helping new investors. By taking the initiative to learn and invest wisely, you can set yourself up for a financially secure future. In this video, we explored various methods students can use to make $10,000 while balancing their studies. From freelancing opportunities on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to online tutoring and selling products on Etsy, there are countless ways to earn extra income. We also discussed the benefits of participating in market research, securing internships and part-time jobs, as well as the importance of starting to invest early with apps like Robinhood. The key takeaway is that taking action and exploring these options is essential for achieving financial independence during your college years. Don't hesitate to dive into these opportunities and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your journey to financial success. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your path to making that $10,000.